Welcome to A&B Jukebox Repair, your one-stop source for Rowe Jukebox Repair service and replacement parts. My name is Bruce Wentworth, and I'll be your instructor today. Today's session is going to be on tools that you can use to help in the repairing of your jukebox. And I'm going to sit down for this one because this is going to be mostly discussion, and I'm going to show you some of these tools. So I'm going to sit down now, and you can sit down too if you want. Just bring your chair up and... Okay. What's going on out in the jukebox world? Okay, well, we're getting calls every day now on people looking for sources or technicians to come to their house and repair their jukeboxes. And we're finding that the reality of it is today in 2022 that years ago, let's say 20 years ago, there used to be a dozen repair technicians in each state that you could call on for your specific jukebox that would be able to come to your house and repair it. But we find that in 2022 that these technicians, most of them have either passed away or they've gotten retired or they're no longer doing it. And so what happens now is these states are having one or two technicians that travel around the whole state to do their repairs. And sometimes there's one or two guys to cover more than one state. There's nobody in your state, so you have to call the guy from the state next to you to come to your house and repair your jukeboxes. But we do our best to try to find reliable sources to refer them to you. And but we're finding that's even harder and harder now because, again, more people are getting out of it. So what we're going to do today is just to explain to you some of the tools that we have available for you to help you in the repairing of your Rowe model jukeboxes, Rowe record model jukeboxes, models R84 through R94, and also your CD model jukeboxes, okay? And that covers from the CD100 all the way up to the J. We're going to talk about these sources now. Okay, first of all, the thing of having a technician come to your house is getting, like I said, it's starting to be obsolete. Okay, everybody's using YouTube today. YouTube is one of the main #1 tools that you use now to repair anything in your house. And why not even your jukebox? And over the past 5 years now, 3, 4, 5 years, we've been doing videos, okay, to help you and to understand, help you diagnose your jukebox, help you remove the parts, install the parts, and even repair the parts in some cases. And so the first tool we're going to talk about is availability of a technician or available of tech support. You look to be able to have someone to talk to get some advice. And this is just having someone to call. And we find that you can't find anybody. It's getting harder and harder to find someone that's going to answer the phone, that's going to talk to you. Well, I'm going to just talk to you about my company, A&B Jukebox Repair, and what we offer for tools and support. A&B Jukebox Repair, okay, there's two other technicians that support my company. They work, again, they're individual companies, but we work together as one to support the jukebox industry and the repairs. Okay, and the first one I'm going to mention is Jeremy. Okay, and Jeremy's from Jeremy's Jukebox Repair, Jeremy Wallace. You'll find his contact information under my Jukebox Support tab on the top of my website in the middle. Jeremy works 5 days a week providing jukebox repairs, parts, and tech support. Jeremy works from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you can find, his contact information there, or you'll find him here 3 days a week. He's working out of my shop. So between him and I, again, you'll find him, he'll answer the phone 5 days a week. I'm only answering the phone 3 days a week now because I'm getting to a point where I'm going to be part-time. I will be doing this the rest of my life. I love repairing jukeboxes and I love helping people be able to find ways to be able to fix their jukeboxes. So I'm not leaving you. I'm just going to a part-time status. So right now, I'm answering the phone calls Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But one thing that I offer that also is I offer tech support calls. You can call and schedule a tech support call 6 days a week. You call and leave a message or email me that you want to do a tech support call, and I'll call you 6 days a week. I'm available 6 days a week for tech support calls. So again, I can't do them during my working hours on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, but I can do them after at the end of the day, or I can do them on those odd days, Mondays, Fridays, and Saturdays. So if you need a tech support call, it's available to you. It's just a tool that's available to you, okay? And in the tech support calls, what we do is we offer FaceTime. This is almost like having me come into your house, coming in to work with you at your jukebox. And this is something I enjoy doing. I would be able to help see and diagnose the problem you're having and hopefully help you repair it, or have you send in the part that I need to test and repair if necessary to get your jukebox working. We won't leave you stranded, okay? We're not one of these technicians will come to your house, take your parts, and not come back. We'll work with you till the end, till you get your jukebox working. We take great joy in helping to fill and help to get your jukeboxes operating and running again. The tools that we have that you're going to need to get before you have a tech support call, or that you can get now that's free. First of all, we've made 55 or more videos on YouTube, okay, that are available to you free, no charge. Okay, you can email me for my complete list of videos, and I'll send you my master list at no charge. The other tools you're going to need when we do a tech support call, or when you're repairing your jukebox, is you should have a voltage troubleshooting sheet. These are sheets that we made up for the Rowe model jukeboxes for models R84 through R94, and also the CD models. And this explains the voltages. It tells you the wires, the pin number, the color of the wire, and what it does, the function of that wire. So this will help you narrow it down. The other thing is you're going to need to have a block wiring diagram. Now these block wiring diagrams are something that should be in your manual, your field service manual. If you don't have one, we can email you a copy, okay, PDF file, so you'll have this. So you're going to need these two tools. You're going to need a voltage troubleshooting sheet. You're going to need a block wiring diagram. And the last one you're going to need is a multimeter. Okay? Not everybody knows how to use a multimeter. These meters aren't as complicated as you think. They're pretty easy to use. They're basically, again, just two probes. You're touching two different contact points to read a voltage. Okay? Okay, this is just simulation. This is our DC voltage, and this is an AC voltage. These are the only two functions you're going to be using, and this is low voltage. You will not get shocked, okay, using your probes. This kind of equipment is protected not to cause any kind of a overload or short or of any sort. This is just measuring voltages, okay. You don't have to buy an expensive one. You should buy maybe like a $30 one, $40 one, but it should be digital. It doesn't have to be Fluke. This is more of like a $130 one. But all you need is a $30 multimeter. You can buy it at Home Depot or any other electronic supply house. You can probably buy them on Amazon. I'm sure you can. So again, the tools you're going to need, again, your voltage troubleshooting sheet, which I'll give you, is no charge. Block wiring diagram, a multimeter, and the last tool you're going to need if you want to have what you call a scheduled tech support call, you're going to need an iPhone. We only do FaceTime. If you have an Android phone that does FaceTime and you can use it, we'll do it that way too, long as we use FaceTime. Okay. These tools only work if you have the desire to do it. So if you have the desire and the will to do it, and you don't have to be an expert, we can teach you how to use your meter. We can teach you how to check your voltages. We can do it with you, okay? We offer a 5-minute tech support, 5-minute call. Anyone that calls my shop for information gets 5 minutes and no charge. We will help to, just help you diagnose your jukebox problem, or give you information that can help direct you to someone that can help you to another technician. So these are the main tools that you'll need if you got the willpower, the desire, and if you're willing to spend some money, because repairing the parts isn't cheap. It can be expensive. It could run you from $100 to $300 or $400 if you have multiple parts that are bad in your jukebox. But we usually give a 1-year warranty on all repair service we do. So these are the tools that we offer, and these are the tools we suggest that you start thinking about. instead of necessarily can't find a technician to come to your house, are you willing to take on this project yourself? Are you willing to team up with one of our technicians here to work together to solve and get your jukebox working, to make it that enjoyable entertainment piece in your home again? I love my jukeboxes. I play them every day, and I hope that you enjoy yours too. So I think we're going to close now. My name is Bruce Wentworth. It's been a pleasure having you, and we hope you join us again for future videos. Thank you. Goodbye.